Il taggio è fantastico finché, per fortuna, ci ha rivelato Medical Group.
Coach, per prima cosa, come è avvenuto il contatto che l'ha portata ad allenare, ad essere l'head coach del Mogliano Rugby?
I've been always interested in coming to coach rugby in Italia. I've coached around the world in France, in Ireland, in Japan, but never in Italy. So I have many family in Italy, and so I've always had an interest in one day coming to coach a rugby team in Italy.
Qual è stata la prima impressione che ha avuto qui della squadra, della società?
La squadra qui è molto giovane, abbiamo tanti giocatori che hanno giocato per la nazionale meno 20, ma abbiamo fare qualcosa nel system di giochi. We have to improve our ball skills, our ball retention. We want to play a positive rugby with lots of ball movement.
The most important word is avanzamento, correct?
Yes, of course. So we want to play a positive game. We want positive ball movement. But if we want to play this game, we have to move forward. So the fundamentals of the game remain. They've been the same for 50 years. We have to go forward before we can go lateral.
In Italy is important the scrum. With the Costanzo work for this schema.
Sì. Salvatore, he's done a very good job with the forwards. Qui in Italia è come i campionati in Francia, in Giappone, tutti mondiali uguali. You have to have a good scrum, good line out. Salvatore has done a very good job for the past 3-4 seasons, and we want to continue to build on the good work that he's done and take the game in a positive direction with attack.
Per quanto riguarda la sua carriera, coach, lei ha detto che è stato in diversi paesi, non in Italia. Ci può riassumere un po' la sua carriera da giocatore prima e da allenatore poi?
So I played for the ACT Brumbies in Super Rugby, and I played for the Wallabies. I finished my career in Australia in 99, and then I played professionally for Clermont in France in top 14. Giocato con Alessandro Troccon lì a Clermont per 3 stagioni, e poi giocato in Inghilterra per una stagione con Harlequins. As a coach, I started coaching in Canberra, and then I was given an opportunity to coach the Brumbies academy, and then I progressed from the academy into the senior team, scrum coach, forwards coach. Then I went to Japan. I've coached. My first coach in Japan was Mitsubishi for 2 seasons, then Kobelco Steelers in Japan for 3 seasons. Then Leinster, I was scrum coach in Leinster for 1 season, and then I was back in Australia coaching. So I've been around the world coaching, but I've always wanted to come to Italy and experience coaching in Italy.
Which is the level of Italian rugby?
I think the level has increased. Penso che questa stagione is going to be molto duro perché abbiamo meno di squadre, ma quella squadra che gioca in campionato è più forte della stagione scorsa, scusa. So every match will be difficult. And
the first with Colorno.
The first with Colorno adesso they've recruited very heavily. They have a very, very strong squad. So my ambition with Mogliano Rugby is to have a team that can play and challenge any team any weekend. So we respect Colorno, we respect every team in the campionato, però we want to focus on ourselves and we want to challenge every team.
Lei prima parlava di avanzamento, si è parlato di scrum, ecco, ma qual è il suo modo di intendere il rugby, il gioco che lei vuole imporre, considerata anche la sua esperienza che ha maturato in più paesi?
So for me the fundamentals are the same. You have to You have to have a good scrum, a good set piece, a good line out. But the good teams, the teams that win championships, from my experience, Leinster, Toulouse, in Super Rugby, Crusaders, Brumbies, they also have very good attacking options as well and good defence. So for me, scrum and line out, then attack and defence, all combined, the best teams have these attributes.
And the maul?
The maul in Italia, ho visto la maul in questo campionato è molto importante. Noi abbiamo un maul anche che è molto buono. Salvatore ha fatto un buon lavoro con nostra maul e sicuro che quest'anno we have to use our maul this season as well.
Massoterapia, il potere delle mani, un benessere profondo. Prenotala da Rebellato Medical Group.